Hello everyone. So this is the question asked in NEET 2025. Let's see the question. An electron, mass 9 into 10 to the power minus 31 kilogram and charge 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb, moving with the speed c upon 100, is ejected into magnetic field B of magnitude 9 into 10 to the power minus 4 Tesla, perpendicular to its direction of motion. We wish to apply a uniform electric field together with the magnetic field so that the electron does not deflect from its path. So if the electron is moving in this direction and the path of electron is not deviated, it means the net force acting on this electron must be zero. Fine. So there are two forces applied on this electron. One is the force due to the magnetic field is equals to Q V cross B. Now, since magnetic field and velocity vector is making 90 degrees to each other, this is given in the question that magnetic field is perpendicular to the velocity vector. So if you see the magnitude of magnetic force, this will be equals to Q V B sine 90. Sine 90 is equals to 0. So this FB will become Q V B. This force must be equals to the force applied due to electric field. So force applied due to electric field is equals to Q into E, where E is the electric field. Since these two forces are equal, so we can equate them. Let us suppose that this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. This is called Lorentz force. So QVB will be equals to Q into E. Now this Q and Q get cancelled out. The value of electric field we will have is V into B. Velocity of the charge particle is given, that is c upon 100. Value of c is 3 into 10 to the power 8 divided by 100, and the value of magnetic field B is also given, that is 9 into 10 to the power minus 4. 9 into 10 to the power minus 4 Tesla. If we simplify this, then you will be getting 27 into 10 to the power 8 minus 6, which is equals to 27 into 10 to the power 2. Electric field is volt per meter. This is the answer. So we have option 1 is E is perpendicular to B and its magnitude is 27 into 10 to the power 4. This is wrong. Second option, 27 into 10 to the power 2, and E is perpendicular to B. So the correct option is option 2. Thank you so much.